Let's start with this very important question. Is it possible to earn a minimum of $1,000 monthly through an online business that costs you only $100 to start? Think about that for a moment. In this short video presentation, I'll do my best to show you how this is not only possible, but how you too can make it your own reality. Now, don't worry, this is not another MLM, Forex, Ponzi, or any of those crypto investment schemes. You know the ones I'm talking about, I'm sure. This is about building a real business that adds value to people all over the world through some special sets of skills from your mobile phone. Okay, let's start with this touching story. Meet Abdusalam. Abdusalam is from Nigeria. He is a 24-year-old high school dropout who desperately desired to make something meaningful out of his life. He left his family in Ibadan, Nigeria to a city 200 kilometers away in search of a greener pasture. He engaged in several laborious jobs like bricklaying, carpentry, and other menial jobs like street hawking, to name a few. After 4 solid years, he was able to save 400,000 naira, which is about $1,000, from these endeavors. Unfortunately for him, while trying to grow his savings and make more money online, he lost everything he saved to Ponzi's and other online schemes. Left with only 50,000 naira, that's a little less than $100, he got depressed. Trying to watch funny videos online, one day he stumbled on a video from an unusual man. Puzzled at what he was hearing, he decided to take a bold step and enroll into a training program where he learned just one high-income skill from this unusual man. Now, in just 30 days of following the instructions from this man, he generated a whopping 863,000 naira, which is a little over $2,000. Now, that's more than double of what took him 4 years to save from hard, difficult, laborious work. Today, Abdusalam has generated over 100 million naira in just 2 years from just one skill he learned from this unusual man. Who is this unusual man that changed Abdusalam's life in such a short time? Meet Dr. Sam Harvard, the founder of Zibar, and a man on a mission to raise 100,000 people across Africa who will conveniently earn a minimum of $1,000 monthly through digital skills. Apart from Abdusalam, Dr. Sam's students are all over the world and are making thousands of dollars conveniently from digital skills they learned from him. You are next. Now, there's this saying that if you know where you're going, your journey is short. But if you know how to get there, your journey is shorter. However, if you have someone who has already been there, who is willing to take you by hand, then you are already there. Dr. Sam just created an amazing opportunity to be trained and mentored by him for 25 weeks on how you too can build an online income in thousands of dollars. Let me quickly introduce you to the Online 1K Club, a mentorship program where you will learn skills and businesses that can make you a minimum of $1,000 monthly from your mobile phone. Now, let's talk about what you'll be getting when you join the 1K Club today. Number 1. 6 steps to make $1,000 online. This is a 6-module course where Dr. Sam Harvard himself breaks down the 6 steps anyone can follow to generate income online easily. These are proven steps used by him and other millionaires out there. You will be getting access to this as a member of the 1K Club. Number 2. Web design and funnel design. As a member of the 1K Club, you will not only learn how to build websites for people and businesses, you will also be taught how to create converting sales funnels. You can charge a minimum of $2,000 per client. This is really mind-blowing. You'll learn the skills and also learn how to make money with it. Number 3. Mini importation from China. E-commerce is a trillion-dollar industry and is growing by the day. From this program, you will learn how to source for very cheap viral products from China and import it into your country easily. You'll learn how to sell such viral products and make more than 1000% in profit. All the guides will be at your disposal. You will have full access to all of these when you become a member of the 1K Club. Number 4. Amazon KDP Publishing. Do you know that there are people who sell ebooks in Amazon and generate over $50,000 without writing any of the books themselves? Yes, you heard that right. You can do a book review and summary using AI tools and converting them into short-form ebooks in some specific niche and earning dollars from Amazon. In this program, you'll learn how to sign up as a publisher, how to find the best niche that sells itself, how to write the books without writing, how to publish books easily every day and make money online with KDP. Number 5. Airdrop Farming. Do you know you can make thousands of dollars in a year from cryptocurrency without investing a single dollar? Yes, this is called airdrop farming. You can perform simple tasks online from your mobile phone and get rewarded with tokens that can be withdrawn in dollars or your local currency. Here are some of our students and the kinds of money they are making in just few days of airdrop farming. You'll learn everything about how you too can start to grow income in crypto without ever investing a dime once you become a member of the 1K Club. Number 6. Promoting digital products online. This is a $400 billion industry with a lot of potential to grow. You can simply run ads to digital courses and other digital products created by other people and make mind-blowing income. As a member of the 1K Club, you will be learning exactly how to make your first $1,000 in less than 90 days with practical steps from this option alone. Last but not least, you will have access to a group mentorship class with Dr. Sam himself every week for 25 solid weeks. This is incredible! He will answer your questions and show you practical ways you can build and grow your income online from any part of the world. I know you can't wait to start. The big question therefore is, how can I join this online 1K Club? Well, very easy. This will cost you only a one-time fee of $100 to start. But if you're watching this video right now, you get a crazy discount of $85. All you will need to pay in the next 24 hours is a token of $14.05. That's 10,875 Naira or 203 Ghana cedis or 9,613 Central African francs or 2,100 Kenyan shillings. Whatever country you're watching from, you'll be paying an equivalent of $14.5 in your local currency. So to get started, simply get the registration link from whoever is sharing this video with you, or click the Get Started button on this page to quickly complete your registration, and let's begin the journey to unlimited online income. If it happened for Abdul Salam and all these other amazing people, you are next. Join the online 1K Club today and begin your journey to financial abundance.